Programming in Visual Basic 2010 by Bradley and Millspaugh. You want to go to their programs, Microsoft Visual Studio. Just make sure you have Visual Basic 2010 and not one of the other programs, because there's a lot of different Microsoft Express programs out there. So you want to go to New Project, Visual Basic, Windows Forms Application. It's the basic default selections, but if you're using someone else's, you should just have them teach you something. But if you're trying to learn on your own, this is the book we use in college for community college out in Los Angeles. So this is chapter 1, so this is the same thing you would be learning if you were in college. So it opens up the form. So I suggest you have the book. You probably do if you've typed in this particular. So you want one label. I just double click on it. One button, two buttons. It's going to say there's going to be a message. There's going to be a label here that when you press this button, it's going to display a message where this label is. And then button 2 is going to be exit. So you want to change the label. Select it. There's not going to be any text. And the name is going to be message label. Message label. And we're going to go to button 1. And the name of button 1 is going to be push button. And the text is going to display push me. Don't push me. Push a push pop. It's going to say push me, you handsome devil. And button 2 is going to be called the exit button. And you can name the exit button whenever you want. Quit, leave, name it get down. We'll just name it exit like the book says to. And then we're going to change the form name to Hello World. Isn't that how you would imagine someone saying that? Hello World. And then we want to change some of the properties of the form so that it displays Hello World by William Cuss. And we want the start position, instead of it to be the default, we want it to be center screen. And then we can select the debug button and see if it works. Push me. Oh no, it doesn't work. It doesn't do anything. It won't even let me exit unless I go up here. That's why we have those things. Those things have auto code. So now we want to put some functionality into the push me button. They want you to comment push me button. Displays hello world message. So you put the message label, remember that blank thing that we had in the beginning, dot text. That means whatever text is going to be in there is actually going to be hello world. Or at least when you press this button, that's what's going to happen. The best way, I think, is just to do it. It says closes program. I think the best way is just to do it yourself and see for yourself and get your own aha moments where you're like, aha, ah, and then you figure out what you're doing by yourself. So you want to type me, close. If you don't eventually get it, you just don't get it, you know, but if you keep trying, you'll eventually get it. Now let's try and run the debugger. Let's try to push me. Oh, hey. Oh my god. It's alive. I programmed something in Visual Basic. And press exit. That's cool. That's not even the end of chapter 1 yet. There's still more to do. We're going to add a print button and a Spanish button.